If you thought keto meals had to be repetitive and boring, this creamy salmon recipe is about to blow your mind. Packed with flavor, nutrients, and that rich restaurant-style texture, this dish redefines what keto diet recipes can be. It's the kind of meal you'd expect from a high-end kitchen, but surprisingly easy to whip up at home. Whether you're following a strict ketogenic lifestyle or just searching for a low-carb dinner with high protein and healthy fats, this creamy salmon recipe is a winner. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Season 2. Salmon fillets with salt and black pepper, then sear them for 4 or 5 minutes on each side until golden brown and crispy on the outside. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, toss in 2 minced garlic cloves, and let them sizzle. Add in 150 grams, 1 cup, of cherry tomatoes, letting them blister slightly for extra flavor. Once they start to burst, throw in a generous handful of baby spinach and let it wilt. Now, here's where the creamy keto magic happens. Pour in 120 ml, warmed 1 to 2 cup, of heavy cream and stir until it thickens slightly. Stir in 30 grams, 1/4 cup, of parmesan cheese, letting it melt and combine into a luxurious sauce. Finally, sprinkle in some chopped fresh herbs like basil and parsley for that fresh, earthy finish. Gently return the salmon fillets to the skillet. Spoon the creamy mixture over the top and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to absorb all those beautiful flavors. What makes this creamy salmon dish a go-to among keto diet recipes is not just the simplicity, but its balance. The healthy fats from the salmon, the low-carb profile of spinach and tomatoes, and the protein-rich dairy make this dish ideal for ketosis. It's also customizable. Swap the herbs, add mushrooms, or even a pinch of red pepper flakes for some heat. And the best part? It takes less than 30 minutes from start to finish, making it perfect for busy weeknights. If you're looking for keto diet recipes that feel indulgent without breaking your carb limit, this creamy salmon recipe is a must-try. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or trying to impress guests with your keto cooking skills, this dish is both impressive and insanely satisfying. Trust us, chefs might not want to share this secret, but you'll be glad you know it.